Hello all, it's Angela here with Noble Web Solutions, and I just wanted to let y'all know that there is some changes being made to the Google Maps APIs. They used to be free and they no longer are, starting June 11th, 2018. So if your APIs or your maps have stopped working, it's because I've disabled all of the APIs. And the reason why I've done that is there's an estimate that I would be using over $200 a month worth of APIs, and I'm not willing to pay that. Especially, that would be a service that I would have to add and charge for. And there are free ways to embed the maps onto your own sites. Um, so if you did want to continue having the Google Maps work as they are, you would absolutely need to create an account through Google and pay for your own APIs. I would implement them that way, but I myself will not pay for any other site's APIs. Um, for one, the reasoning behind that is I wouldn't be able to give you an exact price of what it's going to cost, because it's pretty much pay as you go. So if you get a lot of hits on your site, you're going to be paying a lot more. If you get very little, you'll be paying less. So it's not a dead set price range. Um, and just to give you a quick look at some of the pricing that they are implementing, they're offering that you get $200 free usage each month and can set up usage limits to protect against unexpected increases. But I just, I don't know. Seems like a headache at the moment. I might change, my mind on implementing this for people, but I know that I would be over the 200 usage fee. So, you know, I don't know. You can embed maps for free. Here's the three here that are free. And then what it'll cost on down the road, straight up, is quite a bit. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it'll add up eventually. Okay, so if you have a map on your site and you want to go the free route, there's two options that I'm going to be using, which is Bing and Google Maps, and I'm going to show you really quick how to embed those on your own site. Um, so say for instance we're in Lexington, Kentucky, and you want to have this map on your site, and this is through Bing. You go to More and Share, and here you select the embed option, and then you can customize it for like the width. Say for instance, look over the background noise, my daughter's cleaning the house right now. So there you can make it, wider. You can have it set as static maps, and that means that they can't click on the map and drag it around. Or you can set it to be draggable. The map styles, you can have aerial, with or without labels. I tend to like the road view. And the links, you can have it to show view larger map or not, and get directions or not. So I'm going to disable view larger map, and I'm going to select get directions, and it'll either take them to Bing Maps or it'll load within the site. I haven't looked to see exactly how that's going to work. So we'll click generate code, and this is the code that you'll receive to put on your map page in your website, or your contact us page, or wherever you've got your maps located at. For the Google Maps, we're looking at Nicholas County, West Virginia, and we're going to select share. And here we're going to go to embed map. And it doesn't really give you options like Bing does, but you can change the settings in here where it says width and height, frame border, border style, and things like that. well, you can select custom size here as well. So yeah, it does give you some of the options, but not as much. Um, so that's what it would look like, you know, which is kind of weird because it's not showing the location that I entered. And then you would just copy this and put it in on your website page where you wanted it. And if you need help doing that, feel free to give me a shout and I'll help you out. But I'll be posting this and the links here that I've got, you know, on the blog posts that I post the video on. But yeah, so if your maps have stopped working, that is why. And if you need them fixed or if you want to fix them yourself, I recommend you doing it pretty soon. And if you do have the APIs yourself, watch your emails for Google informing you that they want you to set up a payment method. If you don't have a payment method set up, I'm assuming that they will pretty much quit working. So I guess that's all. Hope you enjoy the video.